Today we're going to be making this sumptuous and delicious fish pie. Fish pie! Oh, This fish pie was so delicious. Let me show you guys how to make this. This is a baking fish pie. I have 500 grams of flour here, and then I have 500 grams of room temperature margarine. Margarine, not butter. So now I am going to use my hands to make sure I make the everything incorporate together, using my hand to smash the butter together with the flour. As all of them has gathered, I added a little bit water, just tiny bit of water. You have to check for your own preference. Make a dough, and then you don't have to knead this dough. Just clump them, put them together, and put them in the fridge for 30 minutes or even lesser. Or you can start doing it immediately, but I prefer putting them in the fridge. Don't mind my hand. So now I'm will put them in the fridge, and then I'm going to prep cabbage. This is optional, but I'm using cabbage and carrots. So you can use your food processor to do it so quick. You don't need to trouble yourself. Food processor, that's what I usually use, but just for this video, using the grater. So add the onions in a little bit of oil in the pan. Let it saute. Don't let it burn. Don't let it change color like brown color. Add the veggies inside here, and then add the fish that you're going to use. This is my fish. It's macro fish. I brought it out from the tin. You can make a fresh batch. I don't have chance. I don't even have any macro fish on my freezer. So this one is a tinned one that I have on hand. So now I added my thyme, oregano, and parsley. They are all mixed. If you can see the video on my channel where I mix my veggie for food, any kind of food that I cook. Now I brought it out from the freeze, not freezer, fridge. So now I'm going to roll. You have to roll it to be on long. Roll it long to your own desirable size. Mainly you can do it up to 6 inch, but this one is the small size, so I am going to now make it. I'm going to roll it, so you can make it thinner, you can make it bigger depending on the sizes that you want. So this is a thinner size, just to show you for reference purpose. Now I'm going to use knife, just the baker knife, anything, any knife you have, just use something to cut the edges so that it will be smooth. At this stage, you just want it to be smooth so that you can be able to roll them very well. So I'm using egg wash. I'm going to use egg wash for this to just rub the side so that when I'm rolling it, it will be very, very, very easy. So now I'm going to put the veggies and the fish together so that I'll be able to roll them. You want to do it carefully so that you don't spoil what you are doing. Just do it, roll them, and you are good to go. Look at how it looks like. Now at this stage, you want to cut any size you want. If you like, do it small. If you like, do it big. It's your choice. Even if you are selling them, do it small, big, depending on the sizes that you want. So these are the sizes that I want, and I was so tired, guys. I was tired in this video. I just want to do this for my children. I don't have that time. So I use um egg wash to rub them, and I'm going to put them in the oven and on 180 degrees Celsius. I will leave them there for 25 minutes or more, depending on your oven. Now, I had to do this one because I have one of my child that will not want to eat vegetable. So I decided to add this video just to show what I did in the second part of it. So now I added, this is palms. As it, It's not spam, spams, SPASMS. So I have it on my shelf. I decided to bring them out, and I used my food processor to make it, to grind it so that it will be a little bit it will stick together. Now I have to roll it. This is a very big size, guys. I was so tired. And guys, if you know you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel to get notification on anytime I upload video. Look at this. After 25 minutes, look at how it looks like. It was so delicious. This was so delicious, guys. Try this and you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.